Paguyo, the layup. Find with a fake. With a pass, jersey number 35 to Melad. Shot is Melad to jersey number 7 for 3 is good. Jersey number 7, the layup, he lays it in. De Los Santos driving the lane, the layup, he lays it in.
Doon sa babakap, 30 under din po yun.
30 under po dito sa
Ibaw, nagawan, Estilo Bagaw, Francisco Atu Javier, ang gandang pasa doon. Ma'am, Ilocana ako, Aguirre. I think si Konsihala to. Javier Bertie!
7 4-3. Bam! Fast break for Team Piat. Hinanay. Javier pull up for 2, no good. Manuel coming for the offense.
By De Los Santos to run. Wow. 21 to De Los Santos. Fake spin.
Pass to Javier.
Basket play. Ito 2-on-1 to. Saldivar bumitbit. Lays up. Wow. Piat Saldivar bumitbit. Ang ganda ng pasa niya kay Corpus.
De Los Santos.
De Los Santos.
The layup.
Goes to go.
Tak na. Pero nabitawan
niya. Kick out to Melad. Melad. Inside fight. Ang ganda ng pasa ni Melad to, no? Oo. Selfish play by Melad. Javier to mga lantres. It's bumitbit.
What they find? Javier.
Ang ganda natin.
Ayan, Franco.
Bumitbit. Wow. Sabi na. Ito na. Bagay ito na. Bagagdag na.
Pinasimplehan.
Corpus at Franco.
What a find to Paguyo. Javier.
Hantay.
Lumipat Javier.
Wow. Itong i-score pa ang Team Bagaw.
By Corpus.
Yes. And still to
drive the
steal.
layup. Wow.
Ito, De Los Santos.
Gives it to Corpus. Inside pass to Sor.
Natin, De Los Santos. Fake shot.
Wow. Well, to Corpus. Trap pass to Hinanay. Reverse shot is good. Stop and pop for 3.
Ang kalamangan ng Team Bagaw. Ito.
Karunggi. Long 3. Bang!
Ang ginawa.
Opo, sir. And Karunggi's 3 cuts the lead to 12. Javier, 4-3. Bang!
Ito. 5 si Corpus. Corpus, what a spin fake.
What a move! Wow!
Rather, munting na magawan.
What
Pass it to Ramos, lays up. Wow.
Behind the back. No look pass to
no look
Paguyo.
pass.
Mukha ng Enrile. Javier, no good.
Grabe.
And a 5 on shot clock again.